My cousin Peter has a dog. It is an intelligent pet with a short tail and big black eyes. Its name is Kiki and it likes eating pork. However, it never bites anymore. Sometimes it barks when strange guests visit. To be honest, it is very friendly. It doesn't like eating fruits, but it often plays with them when the weather becomes bad. It just sleeps in his cage all day. Peter plays with Kiki every day after school. There are many people on the road, so Peter doesn't let the dog run into the road. He often takes Kiki to the last field to enjoy the pit there. Kiki sometimes is naughty, but Peter loves it very much.